Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Likee app from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right to the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar click over there and search for likee.com, or you can just directly search for likee like this, and both way you will see the likee.video, which is the official website for the Likee app, and click there. You can see both are the same page over here. You can search for the Likee app or the website from either you need to, and you can see over here on the top right corner of your phone, you can see the login option over here. Click there to log in, and after that you will be required to enter your phone number and your 6-digit code when the code is delivered by the Likee app, and you can log in from over here, or you can just log in from your Facebook or your Google or your VK or your email accounts from over here. Click on any of these if you have one available to log into Likee app, or if you have not created a Likee account, you can just sign up from over here. You can see the sign up option over here. Just you can sign up for the Likee app from over here. And there guys, this is how you log into your Likee app from your desktop. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.